Okay, so today's video is going to be an unboxing, my anniversary gift from my husband. And I will actually, before I do that, I'm gonna put the camera down so that you can see what I'm unboxing. Ta-da! So I have been eyeing on this camera for a while. If you don't know me, I am kind of like a camera individual. I like different types of cameras, and then I, watch videos and whatnot. I do have currently I'm filming in my Sony A7C, which is this one. And I do have a GoPro Hero 10, I believe, and that one is used by my husband. I don't use that, but he usually uses that for any kind of, BTS footage. But this one is, I have been eyeing on it for a while, and I have seen a lot of reviews, and I am so glad that I got this. And my husband actually got it for me for our anniversary gift, because it does cost a lot. It's like $699, I think, something like that, the combo, and then $100 less if you just buy the camera itself. So I'm going to open this, and this is really good for vlogging, they said. So let's see. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, how do you, oh, I was doing it the opposite way. Okay, now we're turning, ooh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, let's set it up. The screen, this tiny baby screen is really, really good. And you just move this notch for to move the gimbal here and there. And I think I will be using it good. Oh, sorry, gimbal endpoint reach. I think this will be a great video for my vlogs. The combo pack, I'm gonna just close it. Okay, nice. Oh wow, that's so nice. So my pack, the combo pack, comes with the camera itself, the DJI Osmo, not Osmo, DJI, the mic. I really needed a mic, and I think I'm really excited to have this mic, honestly. And then it also comes with this, I think it's a battery pack. I am not sure. I think this one, the tiny one, is actually like a holder for, so it has the screw for the tripod, and then also you can charge it with this. And once I add it here, let's see, okay, once it clips, it becomes a little longer, but then not as big as like the other products that I had. Like when you're vlogging with the camera that's like Sony A7C, it's very visible. But then this one is really small without this and this. I'm probably gonna use it without these items, but let's see. And then it also comes with a wide angle lens, which I'll probably put it later. And I'm not sure what this is. Is this like a, oh, okay, I dropped it. I'm not sure what this is. Probably a cover. Oh, okay. Is it a cover for this? Not sure. What is this for? Is it a cover for this? No, I don't think so. But okay. We'll figure it out what this is. But I also wanted to share that this also comes with this. Wait, how do you open this? Oh, you press here and then you open it. And then this is the battery pack. And you just make sure it like catches on both sides, and then it's gonna, the light is gonna show up here, and then it's gonna tell you like how much charge it has. So I'm just gonna take it off. And then this is the dead cat for the mic if you want to reduce wind. And then my favorite part is the case, because I am not gonna be able to carry this in my purse. This will get ruined. And the con of this camera is that this is so nice, right? It feels really luxurious. It feels really good when you touch it and when you're using it at all. But you know, like when you touch it, if it falls even from here, it's gone. It is gone. So I wish they made this a little bit stronger, I guess. Oh, this is also magnetic. Like when you put this is also magnetic. What does it mean by this? What is this? I don't know. What is this? Can somebody tell me what this is? And then I think you just put it, how do you put it? How do you put this thing? Oh, I think you put it like this. Okay, right? Oh, okay, there you go. It clicks. And that's how I'm gonna carry it. I'm going to put the microphone here. Right? That's how it goes, right? Oh, okay. Everything clicks, so that's good. This is the package that I'll be walking around with. And then these are the extra items. And the best part is that it already comes with a carrying case, so you don't have to worry about it. I just love how, like, whoever designed it, they knew what they were designing, except for like the build quality, because this thing falls, that's it. You're gone. But the fact that I can just carry all my stuff for vlogging, and this thing takes really good photos as well. You just take the photos and then just edit it out. And you know, when I travel, I just take my iPhone. I don't take my bigger cameras because it's such a hassle to carry a big camera. But this will be an upgrade to my vlogging, my travel content setup. And I can just carry all my stuff in this bag and I should be good to go. Like, this is how big the bag is. Look at that. And I just put it in my purse. I have a bigger purse, but you know, if you're thinking of purchasing it, it is really worth it. If you're a traveler who wants to create content, if you want to just do daily vlogs, or if you want to do like, I don't know, like no adventures, of course, like don't take it on a roller coaster, don't put it on a drone, because based on the videos that I saw, you probably don't want to put this on a drone, especially because the gimbal doesn't work. You get the idea, like it starts shaking and stuff. So this is made like just for content creators, vloggers, travelers, you know, capturing memories and stuff. And this is like a perfect creative combo. Really great setup, great job DJI doing this. I have been eyeing on the DJI Pockets. I didn't buy the previous ones because I didn't like how they were, but this one takes it. So Naga's sleeping right there. She hasn't been feeling that well. Hi, Mama. How you feel now? So Mr. Momo makes this face. Can you please let him make it face? So that, hello. This is the face he does to tell you that he's not happy. He is sad and he needs food. So it's Friday night and we are getting ready to go to my mom's place. My younger sister came from Toronto and we're gonna go have some family time with her and her in-laws and my family, and then I'm gonna like maybe vlog a little bit to see how this camera is doing. I'm really liking the experience of it because it's really small and not as heavy as my other camera, which is right there. And yeah, I will see you outside.
3 minutes, okay?
Okay, no problem. I'm just...
Does the car smell okay?
Yeah.
So this.
Look at that. That's so nice. I'm just checking out how it performs in the, you know, low light, and it performs really well.
I saw
We just
it. In the dark, you see it clear, remember?
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like it's very clear compared to
Super
the
dark and
iPhone. And yeah, we're just heading to my mom's, but we're just waiting for the car to warm up. Like this is really good. Ooh, the night sky looks really nice. Ooh, nice. So I'm using the wide angle lens right now. You can see like the distortion in the back, and I mean it looks good maybe for like when I'm traveling to a landscape, but I don't think I'll be using it indoor because it looks like everything is like warped. And my husband is currently watching TV. I'm still at my mom's place. Everybody's resting. We're just waiting for the rest of the family to come. This is how it looks like with the wide angle, and then without. This is how it looks like. It looks really wide, honestly. And then with the wide. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So right now I'm testing out the low light, which doesn't seem as different. Oh, okay. Oh, this looks really good. Do you know why? Because the low light looks...
That looks nice. I like it.
Yeah, I kind of like it because then I don't have to worry about like the iPhone being really dark. As I was saying, okay. Yeah, we have to look for parking for like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be an hour today because of the situation. I also wanted to compare how the like not with the low light looks like. It still looks really good, by the way. Like I really like it. It's just like it's better than the iPhone and my other camera where the ISO gets like, if you know, ramp up the ISO, the footage gets a little bit of grainy. So I need to check how this footage I'm really glad that DJI, you know, brought this out, and I feel like this will change the vlogging game, the traveling content game a lot. I have already seen a lot of YouTubers starting to use this for their vlogs, and I can't wait to do mine. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment, give a thumbs up, helps this channel a lot, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.